Chainlink's price is about to see a massive explosion. In this video I will talk about Chainlink and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. Chainlink is right now on place 16 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $8.5 billion. The coin is existent since 2017 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we saw the all-time high, we then saw this massive bearish move to the downside. We came all the way down into this demand zone. This demand zone, which was the start of this massive push to the upside back in 2021. And after we built this accumulation phase and tapped into this demand zone and took the liquidity which was resting under this lows, then Chainlink started to push to the upside. We then saw the first bearish reaction in the supply zone. This was a strong weekly supply zone because from this high we saw this push into new lows, so we made a lower low. And after we saw the rejection right here, we then pushed to the upside and made a higher high. And here you can see the daily structure with the highest high right here at nearly $23. And after we pushed out of the supply zone, we then saw this retracement again to the downside. And this chart looks very interesting because we first built this range low right here. Then we saw this first wicks reacted and pushed to the upside. Then again, we saw this wicks down here. We came into this demand zone, retested it. Then the price moved to the upside again. And after that, we came back into this last low, tapped in with this wicks, and as you can see, after again this wicks right here, we saw this push to the upside. And now the chance is very high that we took the liquidity which was resting down here and that we then can continue the bullish move to the upside and reach new highs. And if you want to trade Chainlink, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 bonus. You'll find the link for Bitunix in the description. And if you're going on the 4-hourly chart, you can see again that we also retested this newer demand zone, because after we saw this new lows, we then saw this push to the upside, broke also this last high. And then after this retracement to the downside, we saw this bounce again. We didn't make a lower low. So now the chance is very high if you're also breaking this last high that we are then again in a bullish structure. And then the chance is very high that we could see the bullish explosion in the next really interesting price target of the nearly $23. And from the prices right now to this potential price target, you would have a potential of 56%. And if Chainlink also break this last high, then the chance is high that you can see the next potential price target of the $28.75. Then the next potential price target is this high right here at $38. And then of course, if we are also finding acceptance over this one, the last really interesting price target is the all-time high right here at $53 for Chainlink. And the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think Chainlink has the potential to reach even higher prices. And to calculate the next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of nearly $83. And I think this price target for this bull run is very realistic. And from the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 465%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Chainlink. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Chainlink, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I'm very bullish on Chainlink. We are still in this bullish structure on the weekly time frame. And I think right now the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend because we took the liquidity which was resting under here, also retested this newer demand zone. And if we are also breaking this last high right here at $16, then I think the chance is high that we can see the bullish move. Just if you're breaking to the downside and breaking this last demand zone here at $10.40, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this one, then I think the chance is high that we continue the bullish trend to the upside. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.